Hello, and welcome to the English Talk Show, the podcast where we teach you real English through real stories. Real, slightly embarrassing, absolutely true stories. I'm Rex, your host, your guide, and frankly, your most reliable source of excellent life advice.
I'm Melissa. I'm here to keep things honest. And by honest, I mean I'm here to correct Rex every single time he says something ridiculous, which is every 5 seconds.
That is a wild exaggeration.
Anyway, today we also have our third host with us, Charlie.
Hey everyone, super happy to be here. Big day for me, big day. Actually, wait, should I tell them yet?
Charlie has a date tonight, a real, actual date, with a real, actual person.
Her name is Sofia, and she is so smart and funny, and she said yes when I asked her to dinner, which honestly still surprises me every time I think about it.
That's really sweet, Charlie. And Rex has generously offered to coach Charlie on what to say tonight through a tiny earpiece in real time.
Because I am an expert in conversation, charm, and the English language, all three, simultaneously.
I will also be on the earpiece as a safety net, a very necessary safety net.
Now, before we get into the story, let's talk about today's theme. The topic is how to have a conversation. Specifically, how to introduce yourself, give compliments, and keep a chat going. These are essential skills, not just for dates, but for job interviews, meeting new friends, or talking to your neighbor. So let's learn together.
Our first vocabulary word today is to introduce yourself. This means to tell someone your name and basic information for the first time. For example, "Hi, my name is Melissa. I work in radio." Simple, clear, friendly.
Repeat after us. Say it out loud wherever you are. Ready? Hi, my name is, and I'm happy to meet you. Go ahead, don't be shy. The person sitting next to you on the bus will think you're very interesting.
Oh, I practiced this one. Hi, my name is Charlie, and I am extremely pleased to make your acquaintance. That's good, right?
Pleased to make your acquaintance is something a Victorian gentleman would say in the year 1887. For a first date in the 21st century, just say, "Nice to meet you." That's it.
Agreed to disagree. Now, Charlie, it's almost time. The date starts in just a few minutes. Let me go over the plan one more time.
I'm ready. I'm so ready. Actually, I'm a little nervous. Is it normal to feel like your stomach has a small, angry cat inside it?
All right, Charlie, here's the plan. When Sofia arrives, you greet her warmly. You say, "You look absolutely radiant this evening." It sounds confident. It sounds polished.
Radiant. Okay, I'll remember that. Radiant.
Oh, fine. Listeners, radiant is actually a beautiful word. It means glowing, full of light and energy. We say someone looks radiant when they look especially happy or beautiful. It's a genuine compliment. Just delivered by Rex, it worries me slightly.
Oh, she's here. Sophia just walked in. She's walking toward me. Okay. Here we go.
Charlie, stand up. Smile. Say, "You look absolutely radiant this evening."
Or just, "Hey, so glad you could make it." Just keep it natural.
Hey, you look absolutely so glad you could make it radiant.
Oh, no.
Well, that was a unique construction.
She laughed. She said, "Thank you. That's really sweet." I think it worked. I think it actually worked.
Oh, thank goodness. Okay, listeners, let's pause here for a second because there's actually a wonderful English lesson in what just happened. Charlie accidentally created what we call a word salad, mixing up phrases in a way that doesn't quite make grammatical sense. But the intention was kind, and Sofia understood the meaning. In communication, your intention often matters more than being perfect. Don't be afraid to speak, even if you make mistakes.
Word salad. What a phrase. It means words mixed together that don't form a clear, correct sentence. Like if someone asked you how your day was and you said, "Yes, my day was very Tuesday." That is word salad. Confusing, but occasionally charming.
Okay, she's sitting down. Rex, what do I say now? We need to start the actual conversation. What do I do?
Ask her about her work. Say, I would be most interested to hear about your professional endeavors.
Oh no, do not say that. Instead say, so what do you do for work? Do you enjoy it?
I would be most... So what do you do for... I am most interested in your professional. What do you enjoy?
Oh, Charlie.
She's answering. She said she's a teacher. She teaches children to read. This is going great.
Excellent. Now, Charlie, follow up with a comment and a question. This is called keeping the conversation going. Say something like, that must be very rewarding. Then ask another question.
That's actually good advice for once. Listeners, rewarding means something that gives you a feeling of satisfaction and happiness, like you did something meaningful. You can also say fulfilling, same idea. That must be very fulfilling.
Okay, I said, that must be so rewarding. And she smiled really big and started telling me about her students. This is actually working. Rex, give me the next line.
Now, Charlie, tell her something about yourself. Use this line. I myself am a man of many passions and diverse intellectual interests.
Rex, no. Charlie, just say something real, something simple. I'm really into cooking, or I love hiking, or whatever your actual hobby is.
I myself am a man of many. I really love cooking. And also I am very passionate about diverse. I make great pasta, I think. She said she also loves cooking. She's asking me what my favorite dish to make is. What do I say? What do I say? I only know how to make toast.
Charlie, it's okay. Just be honest. Honesty is charming.
Tell her you specialize in minimalist cuisine. That means simple food prepared with intention.
I specialize in, honestly, I really just love toast, like really love toast. I have strong opinions about bread.
And what did she say?
She's laughing so hard right now. She said that's the most honest thing anyone has ever told her on a date.
Okay, everyone. Let's talk about some important conversational vocabulary before we continue. Word number 1, genuine. Say it with me. Genuine. Genuine. It means real, honest, and sincere. She seemed like a very genuine person. I gave a genuine apology. Great word.
Okay, so now we're looking at the menu. Rex, what do I do? Do I order for her? Do I ask what she wants? Do I recommend something? I'm panicking, quietly, with a smile.
Charlie, keep it simple. Just say, do you know what you'd like to order? Or have you decided yet? These are polite, normal ways to check in with someone before you order. Let her choose for herself. It's respectful.
The lady will... Have you decided what you'd... Do you know what she desires? I mean, have you picked something you desire? From the menu? For eating?
What did Sofia say?
She said, yes, I have. I'm getting the pasta. And then she said, are you okay? You seem a little... distracted. Uh-oh.
Okay, perfect teaching moment. Listeners, distracted means your attention is somewhere else. You're not fully focused on what's in front of you. Sofia noticed that Charlie seemed somewhere in his mind. The opposite of distracted is focused or present. Being fully present means giving someone your complete attention.
Charlie, tell her, I apologize. I was momentarily lost in the magnificence of this occasion.
Just tell her sorry. I just got a little nervous. You're great to talk to. Simple, sweet, true.
I apologize. I was lost in... Sorry, I just get nervous sometimes. You're really great to talk to. And also the magnificence of this... No, wait. I'm going to stop talking now and just smile.
Smiling was the right call, Charlie.
She said, oh, that's actually really cute. I get nervous too. And now she's smiling at me and I think my heart just stopped, but in a good way.
You're welcome.
He literally did the opposite of what you said, Rex.
I inspired him to do the opposite. Still my win.
Listeners, let's take what Charlie just said and turn it into a lesson. He said Sofia is great to talk to. This is a really useful phrase. It means the conversation is easy, comfortable, and enjoyable. Other similar phrases are, "You're so easy to talk to," or "I feel really comfortable around you." These are wonderful, genuine compliments that most people will deeply appreciate.
Okay, food is here. We're eating. Things are going really well. She's telling a funny story about one of her students who called her mom by accident in front of the whole class. I want to respond. Rex, what do I say?
Say, how delightfully whimsical. Children are such unpredictable creatures.
You can just tell her, "That's hilarious. Did she notice?" Follow up with curiosity.
How delightfully. Ha 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 ha. That's hilarious. Kids are such. Did she notice? Did the kid notice? She said the kid went bright red and covered his face, and then Sofia covered her face too when she told it. She's still laughing right now. Okay, Rex, Melissa. I think I've got this. Can I go solo for a bit?
Yes, be yourself, Charlie. You've been doing great whenever you've been yourself.
I'd like to keep coaching.
Rex, let the man live.
Okay, I'm going off earpiece for a while. Wish me luck, everyone.
Wonderful. Now, while Charlie is off earpiece, he just sent us a text message. Melissa, would you like to read it?
Oh, yes. Let's see. It says, and I am quoting directly, "Update. Accidentally told Sophia my earpiece was a hearing aid. She asked which ear. I said the listening one. She said that's all ears. I said yes, exactly. Now she thinks I'm very philosophical. Going great?"
The listening one. I actually love that.
Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to check in. Everything is going so well, you guys. We talked about travel and her favorite books and whether hot dogs are sandwiches. She says yes. I say it's complicated. And I told her about the time I got lost in a grocery store for 45 minutes because I didn't want to ask for help. She said I should always ask for help and that asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Oh, she's coming back from the bathroom and she's heading over now. Wait, Rex. She just looked at me and waved, and she's smiling. What does that mean? What does waving mean?
Charlie, she's your date. Waving means she's glad to see you.
Oh. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. I'm waving back. I may have knocked over my water glass. Everything is fine.
Is it fine?
The waiter is mopping it up. Sophia is laughing. She said, and there's the nervous guy I know. I think this is going beautifully. Okay, we're getting dessert. She ordered chocolate cake. I ordered the same thing. Is that weird? Rex, is ordering the same dessert weird?
It shows synergy. You're aligned in your dessert philosophy.
It's not weird, Charlie. In fact, it's a great opportunity. You can say, "Great minds think alike." That's a very famous English expression. It means two smart or similar people naturally arrive at the same conclusion. It's a fun, light-hearted thing to say when you and someone else have the same opinion or make the same choice.
I said great minds think alike and pointed at our matching cakes. She pointed back and said it too. Rex, Melissa. I think I might ask her if she wants to meet again. How do I do that in English?
Say, I would be most honored if you would permit me the pleasure of your company once more at a time of your choosing.
Rex, he is on a date, not applying for a position at the royal court. Charlie, just say, "I had a really great time tonight. Would you like to do this again sometime?"
I had a really great time tonight. I really enjoyed this. Would you want to do it again? Sometime? Soon even?
Oh, I can't breathe. What did she say?
She said yes. She said, I'd really like that, Charlie. She said my name. She said my name and yes in the same sentence. I need a moment.
Excellent, and you're welcome.
You're welcome nothing, Rex. He succeeded despite you. But Charlie, we are so happy for you. You did wonderfully.
Thank you both. Even you, Rex, especially you, Melissa. I'm going to go pay the bill now and try very hard not to tip in interpretive gestures. Goodbye for now.
And that, dear listeners, brings us to the end of today's episode. What a journey for Charlie, and so many wonderful English lessons along the way. Thank you for learning with us today. You've been listening to the English Talk Show. I'm Rex, your ever-reliable, consistently excellent, not at all wrong guide to the English language.
I'm Melissa. I'm the one who's actually correct. We'll see you next episode.
And I'm Charlie. Sophia and I are going for coffee next Tuesday. I'm going to practice all my new English phrases and probably knock over at least one more drink. Thank you for learning with us today, everyone. You're doing amazing. Bye.